Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on LRC. You can see that LRC is forming different bullish bias patterns and breaking them out. And we're watching nice pumps as well. Like it broke out this falling wedge pattern, and the technical target for this breakout was, by the way, here at 50 cents at the top of the wedge. And by the way, this 50 cents was already working as a very, very strong resistance. You can see that it was acting as a resistance here and again, worked at the resistance here. Therefore, after the breakout from this wedge, the price line could not break out this resistance and formed another down channel. And after the breakout, we had another very nice pump where the price line this time could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target was again here at the top of the channel at 50 cents. And now recently it has formed another down channel. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, we have lost a very, very significant support zone. That starts from 21 cents and goes to 17.5 cents. If we move back to the 7 days time frame chart once again, then you can see that previously this support zone has been breaking at a resistance zone here, support here, support here, and support here as well. Therefore, this time it can again work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line. By the way, while moving to the downside, we are also testing this very, very strong and long-term support zone. You can see that since after the month of August 2024, it is again and again testing this support zone, but could not break down the support zone so far. And in today's video, we will also analyze the support zone as well. By the way, here you can see that while moving to the downside, we have also lost the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, now I'm not following this breakout from this previous big falling wedge pattern. However, we have found another very long-term down trend line resistance here that we need to break out, you can see. And here we also have found this very long-term parallel support as well, a down trend line support. And this support is, by the way, quite long-term coming from here, from the month of July 2021. And we had a bounce here, then had another bounce here. So many touch points here, and now is about to hit the support once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my recent trade signal for LRC that I shared on 20th of January 2025 with my members. And this signal produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for LRC that I shared on 20th of January 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish bad move that LRC formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar. This was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line once again re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice reversal and read the sell target down here. And this was almost 11% pump only on this 1 hour time frame. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that LRC has formed another down channel. And since after 27th of November, it is moving inside this channel. Had a bounce here, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, rejection, another bounce here, rejection. And now the price is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel. This time it can, if the price will hit the support, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at 9 cents. But before that, we have a very, very strong and long-term support zone. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone is, by the way, starting from 11 cents and goes to 10 cents. It had been previously breaking as a support zone here for several weeks a month. And now again, we are bounced very well from the support. And this time, if the price and will be again reached here, then again, it can work as a very, very strong support along with this down trend line support. That is another quite long-term down trend line support that is coming from the month of July 2021. In fact, before that, it was also breaking at the resistance here as well. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support and still it is working at a very long-term support. And here we have a downtrend line resistance as well. Here, by the way, we had a long spike, but the pricing could not break out this resistance. Therefore, this is the formation of a big and long-term down channel. Now, if you take a look at the target in case of breaking out this next down channel, like you can see that whenever it is forming any channel or wedge, it is breaking them out. And there is a probability that the price may again repeat the history and break it out. Then first we will need to break out this very long-term resistance line from 17.5 cents to 21 cents. Then it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is here approximately at 30 cents. That is already working at a very strong resistance. You can see that this 30 cents has been recently working at a resistance here. Before that, it was working as support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. And along with that, it can also hit the resistance of this down channel as well. But in case of breaking out this down channel, the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of this channel. That will be again here where we have this key resistance of 50 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.